Okay, now that we have discussed the making of lesson plan, now let's go to DLL or the daily lesson log. I am going to open a daily lesson log. Okay, so if you get to notice our daily lesson log, we have already the content standard, performance standard, and learning competency slash objectives. These are all provided by the curriculum guide. So as long as we have the template, we can do this daily lesson log. The challenge that we have is how are we going to input some details on this lesson log. If you recall the making of lesson plan eh, on using AI, we have used inputs. So the one that you want to get information, you have to make it as your input. I'll show you what I mean. Let's launch or go to this board. Okay, as you can see, I have already pre-made the prompt. So as you can see here, starting from this one, the open and close parentheses and the close parentheses, this one, learning of competency and objectives, we got it from this one, okay? And then, since I don't need to serve topic, I am not going to make this as an input. Instead, I will go directly to the reviewing previous lesson or presenting the new lesson. That's why you will see that on Bard. So as you can see here, I wrote it immediately, review previous lesson or presenting the new lesson. And then this one, establishing a purpose for the lesson, this one you can see it from here. Okay? So I just included the parts of this DLL which I need to get some input. So when I have this template, I have something to write about or input in this template. It's just like making the daily lesson plan. So whatever is your output on your AI, you just copy and paste it to your template. Okay? And one thing more, let's go to Bard. Okay? Since any or the heart of the lesson plan is on its objective, as you can see, I have specified here, I want the objectives be define what is a computer virus and describe ways to prevent computer virus from the spreading. You have to specify this. So every parts of the lesson plan will be based from this objective. If it's on your curriculum guide, go ahead and copy and paste it here and then put it in what do you call this, quotation mark. Okay, and then after that, make sure that all the inputs, the one that I'm highlighting up to this one, is being sandwiched to open and close parentheses. So when you run that prompt, this will be the output. So as you can see, you have the learning objectives here. Okay, define what is a computer virus, describe ways to prevent computer virus from spreading, which I have already specified here. And then, as you can see, review previous lessons or presenting new lesson. You can copy this directly to your DLL template. And this one, establishing a purpose for the lesson, you can copy and paste it to your DLL template. So, you've saved some time thinking. Okay? Now you have something to copy and paste to your DLL or daily lesson log. And remember, it's still you, teacher, have to review or has to review whether the inputs are correct or applicable to you. But the thing is, you don't have to think or start from scratch or zero. That's the good of it.